Hey guys, Brian with Ball Guy Sci, and today I'm actually going to talk about math and something that's going to make you sick to your stomach. When I mention it, just kidding, is ChatGPT, a part of this series. And I'm going to open this up and I'm going to just paste in something that I thought of. Now, I am a science teacher, I have a math background. There we go. All right, so I'm going to pop in this question, and it just says list 10 examples of where math is used in everyday life, right? When are we going to use this? And so while that's going, you're going to see it populate live on screen. And here's how I might use this. You can, if you haven't seen the other videos that talk about grabbing a little HDMI dongle or whatever that goes into your phone live onto your screen, your smartboard, whatever it might be. So if your school has blocked it, it doesn't mean that you can't use it, where you can copy paste these into a live Google Doc that's displayed up there just in case you want to preview it first. But calculating income on a tax bill, managing a household budget, measuring ingredients. So now maybe you can take each one of these and assign them out to students and say, all right, calculating distances using GPS. We're coming up on midwinter break. Maybe you say, hey, I want you to find for me 10 places that if you could leave, it's February here in New York, it's super cold, like 31 below zero today. If you'd said, hey, where do you want to go? Okay, cool. Grab a map and find out how far is that if you could drive, if you were flying, or if you, I don't know, took a teleport beaming anyway, and have the kids do that. That's just number 7, right? There's all sorts of ways you can use this. Or I'm going to paste the exact same thing in it, and I just want to show you, instead of math, let's just say algebra. And then I'm going to let that go. And maybe I could even say second grade math, third grade math. The more detail you put into this thing, the more you're going to get out of it. So again, we could actually tie this into engineering. We could tie it into architecture around the world and just ask those questions. Where do we see math in this cool building, or this cool, like the Eiffel Tower, right? Like, wow, how do we analyze the math? So again, this is now kicking out some of the same information, but it doesn't matter. If you use your creativity, you can think of ways that you as the teacher could use ChatGPT to lead into a more engaging lesson that maybe answers that question kids are always asking in math, like, when are we going to use this? And just find examples of it around, and then assign those out to groups, and they go through it and then come back and share out. I love that jigsaw idea all the time. But again, for math, I mean, I hope this one adds up for you. Ugh, that's horrible. But and it helps you kick some class. If you're a math teacher and you are using ChatGPT, throw down in the comments or hit me up on Twitter. I would love to see how math teachers are using this super, super cool tool. Nothing to be afraid of. Let's engage it, engage kids, and get at those higher level learning skills, right? That helps everybody kick some class. Hey, I got that one in. Have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one.